Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Grace Torres. I am 36 years old. I am married. I have 3 kids. Their ages are 19, 15, and 13. I live in Purokdos, Lower Bala, Magsaysay, Davao del Sur, Philippines. I am patient, I am hardworking, and I love to work, Ma'am and Sir. I know how to clean the house, wash and iron the clothes, cooking and taking care of the kids, and I don't afraid dog and cats. I don't choose holiday. I let my employer choose when is my holiday. My experience of working on last January 2020 to January 2022, I work as a helper in abroad. I serve 4 people and my main duty is to taking care of the kids, feeding and playing together with them. I finished my contract, Ma'am and Sir. My second experience was in abroad again on last March 2022 to July 2022. I work as a helper. I serve 6 people, 4 adults and 2 kids. And my main duty is to cleaning the house and taking care of the kids, sending and pick up Gogo from the school. And I was terminated. And my current experience was here in the Philippines. On last March 2023 to November 2024, I work as a helper. I serve 3 people, 2 adults and 1 lady, 15-year-old. And my main duty is to cooking and cleaning the house. And I stopped because I want to work in abroad. I choose Hong Kong because my experience there before was good. The people are good. And Ma'am and Sir, if you choose me to be your helper, I am very thankful and I do my best to work, focus, and serving on you. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.